Hiya! Am I stronger than you, or am I stronger with you?
Immensely.
Intensely.
Oh.
Hiya! Am I stronger than you, or am I stronger with you?
Intensely.
Okay, so today is a viewer request of this fragrance right here, which is Stronger With You Intensely. I would like to thank Mike for suggesting this fragrance. So Mike reached out to me directly on TikTok and requested that I review some Stronger With You fragrances. I actually don't own any Stronger With You fragrances, surprisingly, which is something I want to talk about. So I actually don't own a lot of like mainstream fragrances. There's a lot of fragrances I don't own. I own hundreds of fragrances. So there are actually lots of fragrances that I don't own. Ones that I should own considering the size of my collection. For instance, I don't own any Versace Eros fragrances. I don't own any Sauvage fragrances. I did get a chance to review a new flanker from Sauvage that I'm gonna post later this week, as well as a few others. So I have started picking up some of those mainstream sort of fragrances that I haven't owned in a long, that I haven't owned, and gonna start reviewing them for you guys. So I'm gonna start reviewing some of those fragrances. But today we are going to be reviewing Stronger With You Intensely. So I'm gonna throw up the notes here so you can see them. I actually haven't checked them out yet, so I don't know what the notes are in this fragrance. I do know it is more of a darker fragrance, more of a winter, fall fragrance. But I don't know what to expect with this, so I'm a little excited. I know a lot of people love it, so I'm gonna give you guys my first impression of this fragrance. As I said, I haven't smelt it, and let's take a look. All right, so there is the bottle. Oh, I got a better look at that. Yeah, there's the bottle. It's kind of got this round cap to it. Feels slightly chintzy, but not too bad. Weird. All right, so it doesn't go on in any direction. You have to have it sort of fitted in a particular way, but that's cool. Very dark juice, so I'm expecting a lot of amber from this, maybe some tobacco, who knows. Yeah, so let's go ahead and spray this bad boy. Really nice atomizer. All right. This cap is gonna take some getting used to. I don't know if I like this. All right, so this is the bottle. Okay. So immediately what I'm picking up, this is very fall. This almost reminds me of like being at an apple orchard. That spicy kind of like, almost like a potpourri basket. Like if you remember what those kind of fall potpourri baskets were kind of like, it's got that spiciness, that almost like potpourri-esque kind of vibe going on. There's some sweetness there. I'm picking up either like a caramel or a toffee or some kind of sweetness mixed in with that. Kind of smells like apple-y. I want to, not like apple pie, but like that apple spice kind of vibe going on. So maybe some cinnamon. And then it's kind of got this creamy smoothness in the background. That reminds me of, it reminds me of my baby cat. Almost that suede vibe. So I'm picking up maybe suede or cashmere. Really nice. I like this a lot. I imagine this is going to go really well in the fall. When the weather starts to cool off in a few weeks, I can't wait to wear this. This is excellent. Yeah, I really like this. My first impression, I'm really digging this. This smells super nice. Like I said, it reminds me of a potpourri basket like that you would smell at your grandmother's house, but not in a bad way. In a really nice way. It just reminds me of the holidays, of, Christmas or Thanksgiving, or you know, just fall weather, just really rich, beautiful, spicy, fragrant fall weather. That's what this reminds me of. I really dig this. I'm not going to give it a rating yet because I want to wear this for a full day. And honestly, I don't know if I'm going to review it right off the cuff. I think I'm going to wait a few weeks until the weather drops below 60 and we start to get into the cooler weather. And I'm going to give this a full review at that point. But this is really nice. I really enjoy it. I'm definitely going to, this is one that I would definitely recommend. I don't know what the longevity is going to look like or the projection. I imagine the projection is going to be decent. But I imagine the longevity should be, you know, at least between the 6 and 7 hour range, possibly 8 hours, but I'm not really sure yet. Like I said, I want to give this a full wear, but I am going to wait a few weeks to review this. Anyway, thank you so much, Mike, for suggesting this fragrance and giving me the opportunity to pick it up. I never thought, it wasn't something that I thought I should do or was going to do, but I'm glad that I did it because I really enjoy this fragrance. If you guys have any other suggestions of fragrances you want to hear me review about, any other suggestions that you guys want me to review, fragrances or men's, women's, unisex, doesn't matter, definitely let me know because I'm always looking for feedback on what you guys want to hear me talk about. So definitely reach out. You can reach out to me through my website, which I'll link right here. You can direct message me through there. You can add me on Facebook or Instagram. I am as Derek Hughes, and you can actually add a Fragrance State of Mind. Search for me that way, or AFSOM. You can find me all those ways, and you can even message me on TikTok. Just gotta follow me first. Anyway, thank you guys so much for continuing to watch my videos and support my channel and my content. And once again, thank you, Mike, for this suggestion. This is a really great one. I really like this. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. I love you all, and as always, have a fragrant state of mind.